Number 7.
This is the Extend and Climb Telescoping Ladder, the convenient, portable, lightweight ladder for all of your household and professional needs. What sets the Extend and Climb ladder apart is its retractable, small, and transportable size, which can be stored almost anywhere. This allows you to carry a compact, full-size ladder with one arm while grabbing supplies or opening doors with the other. Its lightweight design offers effortless movement to be able to fit in small spaces. True telescoping technology offers a stable ladder experience and has surpassed all ANSI and OSHA standards. When your task is complete, effortlessly retract your ladder back to its compact size, and you're on your way. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom or a full-time contractor, Extend and Climb offers the go-to ladder to make your job simpler, one step at a time.
Number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Number 3.
CLC's 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack. Featuring 2 large zippered compartments that reveal 36 pockets to easily hold a variety of tools and accessories. A large adjustable exterior pocket sits on the outside of the bag, along with an additional 8 pockets on the front and both sides of the bag. A multitude of pockets allow you to organize all your equipment, and the fold-down motion gives you easy access to all the tools you need when working on site. Hands-free capability allows you to maneuver around your work area. Base pads are located at the bottom of the bag to help reduce wear and tear, while the carrying handle is padded, allowing you to easily and comfortably move your bag around your workstation. And when the work is done, easily zip up and put the bag on. It offers an adjustable sternum strap and adjustable shoulder straps that are padded and slip resistant. The 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack by CLC.
Number 2.
Level Up with Johnson. For over 70 years, Johnson Level has been the world leader in levels, lasers, and layout tools. Made for professional tradesmen in the fields of masonry, flat work, drywall, plumbing, and more, our tools are engineered to help you work faster, safer, and smarter. Our full line of levels include torpedo, I-beam, and box levels, including our Ultra Level, the world's most accurate level. Only Johnson offers product authority with innovations like oversized half-inch vials, glow-in-the-dark vial surrounds, and easy clean bamboo levels for masonry work. Our levels carry lifetime accuracy warranties to ensure you'll buy it for life. Ready to level up? Check out our line of dot, line, rotary, and industrial lasers. Johnson offers the most comprehensive line of lasers you'll find anywhere. From pendulum-hung rotary lasers to fully programmable slope models, 2, 3, and 5-dot lasers, cross lines, and alignment lasers. Need higher accuracy or longer ranges? Our optical products include theodolites, auto levels, and transits, designed for simple, accurate layout of large job sites. If you're laying out small job sites, our comprehensive line of layout tools include framing squares and rafter squares with easy-read anti-glare coatings, tape measures, wheels, and laser distance meters. Our products are engineered for durability, but we know accidents happen. Johnson offers affordable, full-service repair and calibration for all our laser and digital products. From rough to finish, level up with Johnson and work faster, safer, and smarter.
Number 1.
From a culture of innovation and customer obsession, Klein Tools designed and engineered hard hats with a focus on safety, comfort, and fit. These Type 1 Class E and Class C hard hats are equipped with unique features to enhance user experience in demanding job site environments.
This hard hat, the liner, don't even realize it's on the most comfortable hard hat I've ever worn in the 20 years I've been in the business.
The vent is a great feature. Really, when you have the air moving, it cools you, keeps you cool, and it's just a different feature you don't see.
With the vents and the light that comes off, you can stick it on a stud. Love that.
I had just a company-issued hard hat before that was, it would pinch you back here, and it got uncomfortable quick. This seems to have like an absorbent band in it that's really nice feature, and the pad in the top, especially for a guy with no hair, you know, like me, sometimes the old one rubbed, and this gives you a real nice, just real good comfort level.